We're gonna rock down to Electric Avenue, and then we'll take it higher. Oh, we're gonna rock down to Electric Avenue.
Hello kids, I'm Kwesi.
And I'm Joe.
We are electrical engineering students
In second year of DIT.
and we are here today to assemble a homemade electric car. The electric car will be made out of recycled materials.
The car will be driven using the same electrical engineering concept as an airplane and a hovercraft, which is pretty awesome,
Yeah.
I have to say. So this is the same principle as
Rotary motion to a propulsive
Example
force.
here is a hovercraft. Firstly, ignore the lift fan, as in our case this will just be wheels, but instead look at the thrust fan. This is exactly what will happen in our car. The fan will be powered by a DC motor and not an engine. The same principle applied. The fan will turn or rotate, and it will provide a thrust force, or a propulsive force.
Also an electrical engineering student in DIT second year, and I'm just going to talk you through the equipment we're going to need to make this car. So basically, starting off, this is your bottle. This is going to make up the body of the car. Also we have straws. These are going to work as the axles to support the wheels through the bottle. We have skewers. These are also going to support the wheels. We're going to stick the wheels onto these skewers. We have bottle caps, 4 bottle caps we're going to use as the wheels for the car. And we also have scissors. We're just going to use this to cut the stuff down to size. A marker. We're going to mark the bottle so as we know where the wheels are going to go. Glue to hold the car together. And we have this bottle top. It's going to work as our propeller to drive the car. We also have a DC motor that was taken from a handheld fan, and a 9-volt battery. This is going to drive the motor.
Hello, my name is Colin. I'm a student of Kevin Street DIT, Electrical Engineering. The next part of our project is to get axles into our plastic bottle. The idea is, take one of our bottle lids, take a marker. What you want is clearance from the table to our wheel bottle cap. And once you have that clearance and you're good, you take your marker, you mark your spot. From there, you take a scissors very carefully. We're going to pierce a hole here, same on the other side, also the same on the back axle. From there, we're going to put a straw through. The next part of our project is to put holes in our bottle so we can enable straws to pass through. What we're going to use is the scissors very carefully to pierce a hole either side, perfectly lined up, so everything's nice and straight. Take our straw, nice and slowly, boom, get it through. After that, you want to make sure everything's nice and square. Take your scissors, just leave it a couple of mil off the plastic bottle so your glue has something to stick to. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So once our straws are glued and it's at the setting and they're stuck in place, we're going to use skewers to work as an axle to hold the wheels, but just make sure that they can spin freely through the straws so there's enough room for them to move around. So now take your wheels and we're just going to pierce holes through the centre of your 4 wheels using the skewer. So this should go through handy enough. Yep, so there you go. And just push the wheel straight down to the end, skewer, and now place that through the straw, like so. Take a second wheel, push it on the other end of the skewer. Just move it down, just make sure there's enough room for both wheels to spin either side of the bottle so they can move freely and won't restrict your car from driving. Okay, so now once you're happy with the position of the wheels, take your scissors and score around the skewer, leaving a couple of mil at the end. Just score it so that it will weaken it and you'll be able to just break it easily enough. Now, just like that. Just push the wheel out again so that it has enough room to turn. There you go. And now repeat that at the back of the car. And then you'll have the
So
4
now that we've glued the wheels on, you gotta make sure that they roll and the car can roll freehand, so that's perfect there.
Brilliant. So this is the creating of the fan, the actual thing that's going to move it. So first of all, get your average bottle. You're going to cut around like this, yeah, with your scissors. and this will be the start of making the fan. And also going to cut a load of strips up like that, and that'll make the propellers of the fan. Yeah, so that's
This is going to be our final product here.
And stuff it with blue tack as well, so that so that it doesn't move too much on our DC motor.
So then we get the battery and we add the motor. And we add this in here. And we got this in here. And we got power.
Oh yeah, look at his hair move.
Alright.
So then the next step is for us to stick this down here.
And then stick the battery on here.
And then we'll just tape that on and we can get moving. So here's our finished product. Let's test out our rotary motion to a propulsive force and see if this thing moves. Oh yeah, it definitely does. I'm just going to sellotape that down. So next we're going to do some filming of it moving.
I hope you enjoyed watching as much as we enjoyed making this. Now you've seen our application of the principle of rotary motion to a propulsive force. And now you can understand better what drives hovercrafts and airplanes forward.
No place to find our washing, and then I can't blame all on the sun. Oh no, we're gonna rock down to Electric Avenue, and then we'll take it higher. Oh, we're gonna rock down to Electric Avenue, and then we'll take it higher. Working so hard like a soldier, can't afford a thing on TV. Deep in my heart I abhor ya, can't get food for the kid.